Hi, ladies, and welcome to week 2, employee categorization and recruitment. This week's competency is to create effective human resource strategies for the recruitment, training, and retention of healthcare personnel. Think about the workplaces that you are currently in and think about it. Is it quite easy to get people to come in and work with you with all of the different titles? And if so, is it also easy to retain them? Or do people tend to leave for other jobs that pay more, or maybe other jobs that have different benefits, or other jobs that have different hours? So it's very important for a place to be able to retain good quality employees and then be able to keep them with the things that these employees are interested in. Certain generations, somebody that has children might be more interested in flexible hours. Somebody who is young and maybe 18 or 20 might be more interested in benefits that will give them tuition reimbursement. So we're going to discuss 2 outside types of healthcare employment relations and their purpose, such as locum tenens or outsourcing services. So this would be people that come to your place of employment maybe through contracts or through staffing agencies, the temporary workers. Identify 2 legal responsibilities of healthcare facilities for ensuring compliance with labor laws and regulations. Articulate the process for recruiting qualified healthcare employees, and explain how the selection process impacts quality, cost, efficient, and effective healthcare. Really, certainly the selection process is the most important part of the hiring. It's usually done between human resource personnel and managers of units. Our discussion is I'm going to have you think about individuals working in healthcare facilities, and they're not all permanent employees. And even our permanent employees are full-time and part-time. There are various types of employment categories within organizations, such as contractors, employment at will, leased employees, and others. Discuss types of employment relationships a facility might have excuse me, other than with their permanent employees, and include any experience that you may have with working with these individuals or hiring them, or perhaps you have worked as one of these individuals. Research and discuss some legal responsibilities that the healthcare facilities have with these types of employees versus their full and part-time staff. The assignment, again, is going to be a paper. Again, it's going to be a 3-page research paper in addition to a cover sheet and citation page that should reflect critical thinking and analysis of the research that you found when you looked this up. Now, when you look up these things, you can use our Bay Path library. You can sometimes use things from the internet, but we are really encouraging you to look for academic quality articles, books, webinars, texts, things like that. You must have 3 scholarly resources at least, and again, it's to be written in APA format. And just wanted to let you know that March 8th is International Women's Day. Their theme for this year is that the future is exciting. Let's build a gender-balanced world. So this part over here, I'm sorry, is not in the picture, but it's right here. Hashtag balance for better. So they say everybody has a part to play all the time and everywhere, and from grassroots activism to worldwide action, we're entering an exciting period of history where the world expects balance. So happy International Women's Day to you, and I will see you guys online.